Hey guys, my name is Katy Haywood and I'm the CYFAR STEM coordinator for Richmond, Anson, and Marlboro counties. Today in our 4-H Daily Spark, we are going to be working with an after-dinner science kit named It's Raining, It's Pouring. Do you love splashing in mud puddles when it rains or going outside to look at the rain on your front porch? Rain provides a lot for our earth and a lot for the humans on the earth. It fills our rivers and streams and lakes. It waters crops so that we can have good food to eat. Rain is really, really important. So today what we are going to be doing is building a rain gauge. A rain gauge is a weather tool that is used to measure the amount of rain or precipitation that has fallen in a given amount of time. To make sure that you have an accurate measurement on your rain gauge, the reading has to happen every day at the same time. This is because water evaporates, and if you check it at different times of the day, you might have a different level of evaporation, and your reading won't be accurate. First, let's make a rain gauge. You'll need a 2-liter bottle, modeling clay or play-doh, paper clips or tape, a pair of scissors, and a ruler or a measuring tape. The first thing that we're going to do is cut off the top third of our bottle. And we're going to use our scissors. So make sure that you have a caregiver to help you with this part so that you are being safe using our sharp scissors. So you're going to cut off the top part of this bottle. So now you'll have the top part of the bottle and your bottom part of the bottle with a sort of flat edge on the top. And now you'll take your modeling clay or your play-doh and we're going to press it into the bottom of our bottle to make a flat surface. If you look at the 2-liter bottle, you'll see that it has lumps on the bottom of it, and we want our surface on the bottom to be flat so that we can measure it accurately. So we've put our modeling clay in the bottom of our bottle and we've made a mostly flat surface. So what you'll do next is you'll take the top of your bottle here and you will flip it upside down so that the spout end is on the bottom, and you'll put it inside the top of your large piece of your bottle. This will collect the rain and put it into the actual bottle itself. So you can use paper clips to attach this, or use some clear tape. Once you get So your bottle should look like this. Now, to measure your rain, to see how much you have collected, you'll take a ruler and tape it to the side of your bottle. In this case, I actually don't have a ruler at home, but I do have a measuring tape here. So I will use my measuring tape and I will place it where my modeling clay starts. And I'm going to actually cut this. So we'll place it just like that so that you can see what your measuring tape is showing. And you'll use a piece of tape, or again, if you have paper clips, you can use those. Hot glue may work, but make sure that you have an adult to help you do that because hot glue could burn you. So you'll tape or attach your measuring device to your bottle. So you'll put your rain gauge in an open area. Make sure you don't put it under a tree or a building, but an area where it could collect rain from all sides. Also, you want to make sure to check it every day in the same time every day. And we're going to pretend that it is raining. Right outside right now it is a beautiful sunny day, so I really wouldn't collect any rain right now. But if our rain was falling, you can see the rain or our water at the bottom above our modeling clay, and you'll sit it down so that it's nice and even. And I can see that I have poured out about 3 centimeters of water. I want you to track the rain that you have collected over a given week, a month, and even a year. Once you have collected your measurements, look and see what the differences are between week 1 and week 2, or month 1 or month 2. It also could be fun to track your rain collection over an entire year and determine which month was the rainiest month or which month was the driest month. Thank you guys for coming to our 4-H Daily Spark today. I hope you have fun and I hope you collect lots and lots of rain.